Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is Zhuhai. A lot of people are coming across right here. And the reason I started filming here, for when there's kind of cool lights, right? So, and you can see the other street on the other side as well. And so, so basically this right here is like kind of an overpass right here. So you can take up, and there's also an elevator that goes up. But what I think is funny is like this guy's walking across like this, right? So he's walking over here, and there's like rails right here. But I noticed a lot of people will walk way into this road. You know, they're supposed to walk on the crosswalk. And I kind of understand the bikes, you know, but then all the pedestrians are walking. So like it's kind of chaotic, and then these people right here too, like, so they're walking across, but over here there's no way to jump this fence. So it's so let's see what they do. The light's gonna cross, now the taxi's already starting. There's people still going across on their bike. And now they come across, and people are gonna start turning left. They're still walking down the middle of the street. This guy's gonna walk all the way down there, but there's no way to get in. So it's these guys are just gonna go across all together. These two right here, you can see them. So there's green light and everybody can go right now, but they're just gonna walk across even though there's like a fence on this side. And they're actually gonna walk down the middle of the street. So it's like, it's actually just kind of crazy. And this person's going on a bike in the opposite way, you know, because this is one way this way, and there's a bike going that way, and there's people walking down the middle of the road. So it's, but you know, it's kind of funny because there's this thing right here, and you can just take this escalator up, go all the way around and go all the way down. So it's like there's no way to, there's no reason you have to do this, basically. There's another guy coming across, like he must have walked way over there into this traffic of all these people turning. It's just complete, it's just funny, basically. It's just really, really funny. So let's kind of see where they're going. So we're gonna walk around this side. Yeah, I guess they catch the sidewalk over on this side. And here's this girl over here, so she's walking in the bike lane. So there's a bike lane right here. And a lot of bikes are in the street, which is fine. And then this girl is walking in the bike lane. Let's just see what happens when we see a bike. We should see one in a minute. So, but yeah, it's kind of funny, right? It's really interesting. There goes the bike. So now the bike is in the middle of the road. The pedestrian is in the bike lane. And nobody's on the sidewalk. So anyways, it's kind of interesting. Let's go back on this side and just take a look again. Okay, so we got another guy just walking down the middle of the road. He's got the guardrail. He's on his phone. He's not even paying attention. He's right there. Here's this lady who's running. She's the one that we saw that was working on the bike path. So now she's running across, you know, before these cars come around. There's another guy running. So it's like, even though, you know, in the city they built all these guardrails, right? So they have all these guardrails to prevent people from kind of going all over the place. But still, they go all over the place. So anyways, kind of interesting, pretty entertaining. So thought I'd kind of show that little snippet. So let's just see if anything else happens. Okay, here's the guy just kind of going down the bike. This guy's just walking down the middle of the street. So as soon as they get around the rail, they just immediately start going right into the middle of the traffic. Anyways, it's kind of interesting. So here I am in Zhuhai, China. This couple's just walking really casually right in the middle, and now it's a green light, so now they're going to get caught. These people are still going across on the green light. These ones are going to stand in the middle, and now there's like a ton of people right here on this green light. If there wasn't a rail here, they would just be safely on the sidewalk. The rail is so that they don't do this. So it's just kind of funny, right? This guy's still walking. Now these guys are going on the green light. These ones are going to cross. These ones are going to cross, but oh man, it's pretty entertaining actually. This guy's going against the traffic on his bike in a rail where he can't get away. He just barely goes around that white taxi. Man, I don't know if that guy survives that or no. This girl's on the bike, but there's a big bus right here. She's just kind of rammed. She's not even looking. And now she's going to turn around and go this way. So basically she's turning around. This guy's just randomly going across with green lights everywhere and the guardrail. These ones are going to run across on the green light now too. And now, so once they get over here, they have to walk way into the traffic over there. So, yeah. So Okay, so now these cars are going around, all these people are in the middle of the road. Okay. This one's just like way out in the middle of the road, like there's cars coming and now she's gonna try to slowly walk across like there's nothing going on. There's more people coming over here. So it's not like just one, you know, it's like just a steady stream of people that are not just completely disobeying the green light and the red light and not even seeing this, that this isn't even supposed to be a guardrail. They erased the whole path. So these people are just walking illegally all over the place. Now this car comes, but all these people are just kind of casually walking like as if there's nothing. There's a bike going real fast. Man, I bet if you stood here long enough, you definitely would see some fatalities. This taxi just kind of zooms around this one and there. Whew. Okay, we're gonna, I thought I was just gonna catch just like a rare incidents or two, but actually it's just like kind of a massive issue. So how do you control that? This guy's going down the wrong way. Anyways, just kind of want to see what happens here, and then we'll. So now this light's going to flash green in a second, and all these people are going to just be caught way out in the middle of nowhere in the road. Some of them are actually running. These are the first people I've actually seen to start running somewhere. The guy in the blue shirt way back there is just kind of like, huh, casually, casually, just not a care in the world. These guys, no, these guys are just caught right here waiting for this green light. Okay, anyways, I bet if I stood here long enough I would definitely see a fatality. I hope I wouldn't, but geez, how can you not? Okay, so that's it.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.